1958 consequent upon the acceptance of the socialistic pattern of society. These consist of equal representatives of management and workers not exceeding 12. At the plant level of selection industrial units, the unit should employ at least 500 workers. मतलब अगर किसी कंपनी में हमें JMC लगानी है तो वहाँ पर कम से कम 500 वर्कर्स होने चाहिए. Then the second 5-year plan also observed that increase association of labor with the management is necessary. Government appointed a study group to see the experience of other countries also in this regard. A scheme for the JMC was recommended in 1958. JMC was a voluntary body. Its introduce was left solely to the discretion of employer and employees. Then इसके objectives क्या हैं? First है to increase the association of employers and employees, thereby promoting the cordial industrial relations. To improve the operational efficiency of workers, to provide the welfare facility of them. To educate workers so that they are well prepared to participate in this scheme. To satisfy the psychological needs of workers. 6 and then क्या क्या क्राइटेरिया होता है कि क्राइटेरिया फॉर सिलेक्शन ऑफ एंटरप्राइज वेयर JMC कुड बी इंट्रोड्यूस. सबसे पहला है 500 वर्कर एम्प्लॉयज़ होने चाहिए. इट शुड फेयर रिकॉर्ड होना चाहिए. इट शुड हैव अ फेयर रिकॉर्ड ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल रिलेशन. It should have a well organized trade union. The management and the workers should agree to establish JMC. Employer in case of private sector should be members of leading employer organization. Trade union should be affiliated to one of the central federation. It was observed by the subcommittee that if the workers and employees mutually agree, they can set up JMC even if their conditions are not met. Then functions क्या होते हैं JMCs के? To counsel the council is to be the consulted by management before introducing changes in the modes of production schedule, general administration problem, etc. The council is to receive information, discuss and give suggestions on the general economic situation, state of market, production and the marketing programs, organization and the general functioning of the concerned, method of production and work, balance sheet and profit and loss account, long-term capital budgeting decision, plans for expansions